So, hello and welcome, everybody. So, thank you for joining us today to learn about the great range of technology programs offered at McMaster Continuing Education. My name is Jesus, and I am one of the information specialists here at McMaster Continuing Education. So before I proceed, I just want to let you know that McMaster recognizes and acknowledges that it's located in the traditional territories of the Mississauga and the Haudenosaunee nations and within the lands protected by Dish with One Spoon Weapon Agreement. So we will be walking through the following technology programs today, and we're excited to tell you more about them. So we are talking about the data analytics program, data science, big data programming and architecture, the open source intelligence, and the Amazon Web Service Academy, AWS. So these programs follow a path where you learn basic, then intermediate, and advanced, lastly, levels of knowledge. So courses are flexible within each program and can be taken based on any previous knowledge or comfort level to stay ahead in this changing field. So the program is offered in a convenient and virtual classroom format and help you gain relevant skills and experience so you can learn a certificate online and as well future-proof your career. So let's dive first into the data analytics offering. So this program was designed for professionals looking for a flexible, basic level introduction to the world of analytics. So we offer two data analytics pathways to choose from. So there is the certificate in data analytics, which consists of completing any 5 courses. And there is a certificate of professional learning. And this consists of by completing 3 elective courses. So by completing one of the data analytics programs, you'll receive either a certificate or certificate of professional learning from McMaster University Continuing Education. In addition to this, these courses also provide the prerequisites for professionals interested in pursuing the intermediate or the experienced program streams in data science and big data programming and architecture. So here's what you can expect to learn from the data analytics program. So you learn how to apply statistical methods for the health analytics for the health analytics program. So you learn how to collect, analyze, and interpret and share data. You'll be able to identify relationships in data. You'll be able as well to select and employ problem-solving techniques, source standards and web-based tools, test analytical solutions, as well as employ data models in business intelligence and data analysis case studies. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. I think I lost it. There it is. So our data analytics program is offered in a flexible online format. So it's designed to meet your needs and schedule and learning preferences. So the virtual classroom format combines live sessions with independent study activities with the goal of replicating one that you otherwise experience in an in-person classroom. So to learn more about the learning formats and differences between each, please visit our on-demand resource center. So understanding and knowing how to apply data analysis opens the door to many different careers opportunities, including the areas of finance, insurance, healthcare, marketing, government, retail, media and entertainment, logistics, information systems, transportation, and for sure many other fields as well. So you can learn more about the program, course offering, and the industry tools used by visiting our website, and also by joining our 7 p.m. Technology program Q&A session. Okay, so let's now take a look at our data science program. So are you interested in mastering digital data at an intermediate level? So if that's a yes, then this program is for you. So you have two different pathways to choose from. So there is the certificate in data science. For this, you can complete any of the 5 elective courses. And for the certificate of professional learning in data science, you can complete any of the 3 elective courses. So there are many great courses to choose from within data science stream, from foundational and in statistical analysis for data science management, predictive analytics, and data mining, to more technical and hands-on courses in machine learning for big data, to data analytics tool, and even a capstone course. So you can visit our data science page to learn more by clicking the link on the description below. So here's what you can expect to learn through our data science program. So you learn to translate business problems into analytical problems, propose a refined analytical solution to business problems, problem-solving techniques and software tools to test analytical solutions, employ common industry software tools, identify, test, evaluate model structures to solve a business problem. Okay, so whether you're beginning your career or making a career move or looking for a professional development and practical learning in a specialized field, our courses will provide you with a solid foundation and give you the in-demand skills employers are looking for. Data science courses are offered in a virtual classroom format, so where you can experience the classroom environment from the comfort of your home. So you will meet live at a designated time each week to learn from expert instructors. As well, each class will have a hands-on training portion that you can apply immediately to your industry. Those who pursue the data science can work in exciting fields such as finance, insurance, healthcare, marketing, government, retail, logistics, transportation, media and entertainment, information systems. The data science program offers a capstone project course which aligns with certified analytics professional CAP competencies. You will work with a faculty or industry mentor on a real-world business problem and or projects to apply analytics, models, and tools learned through the program. So for further information about this course and experiential learning, please visit our website. Next, let's talk about the big data programming and architecture program. This program focuses on experience levels of big data analytics, open source technologies, and cloud computing platforms. So these courses are perfect for anybody who wants to expand their knowledge and stay ahead with a rapidly changing field. So there are 2 pathways, same as the other ones. So there's the certificate in big data programming and architecture. So you can achieve that by completing 5 elective courses. There's also the certificate of professional learning in big data programming and architecture, and you can achieve it by completing any of the 3 elective courses. Some courses featured in the program include data programming, where you learn how to Scala and Java, essentials of cloud computing, and capstone project. As well, these courses can prepare you If you're interested in pursuing a designation as a certified cloud practitioner and or a cloud solution architect. Here's what you can learn from this program, from the big data and architecture. You learn how to implement cloud computing concepts, how to build a variety of IT infrastructures on the cloud. You'll be able to learn how to propose and refine analytical solutions to problems, collect, analyze, interpret, and share data and identify relationships in data. Also work with open source and scalable database tools. So data analytics, data science, and big data programming and architecture are unique programs where you can continue advancing your knowledge in data analysis even after you've completed your certificate, by choosing courses that match your background and align with your career goals. You can also do it at your own pace and your own terms with our flexible virtual classrooms. So the Big Data and Architecture program is a great fit for professionals with a degree in science, computer science technology, mathematics, business, or engineering, who wants to give their career a competitive edge, or who wants to work in finance, insurance, healthcare, marketing, government, retail, media and entertainment, logistics, information systems, transportations, sectors using predictive analytics and AI. For more information on the program and its courses, please visit our website. Okay, so now let's talk about the Open Source Intelligence Program. This program will teach you current as well as real world skills, techniques, and tools to effectively gather and effectively investigate OSINT data, or open source intelligence. Collects data from publicly available online resources. So the Open Source Intelligence is a certificate of completion program, and you are required to complete 4 courses. The Open Source Intelligence courses can also be leveraged to the Data Analytics program. Here's what you can expect to learn through the Open Source Intelligence program. So, utilize the latest technology and advanced research techniques, recognize cyber threats, and safeguard your safety and privacy online, accurately assess the value and quality of online source data, design tools and processes to collect and manage data, and use various tools and methods to monitor online and social media sources in real time. So the Open Source Intelligence program is an open enrollment professional development program. So there is no formal admission procedure. You can just do it at your own pace and on your own terms with a flexible virtual classroom. So the courses are OSI 101, which is Tradecraft and Operations. So participants will learn the fundamentals of open source intelligence, tradecraft and operations for traditional and new media sources. For OSI 102, Python for basic collection, participants will learn how to treat the internet as a data resource and how to create automated data collection mechanisms. OSI 103, Python for advanced collection, participants will take their web scraping skills to the next level by learning how to collect hidden text and multimedia elements. And OSI 104, so data mining and analysis essentials, participants will learn how to condition and prepare collected data for further analysis and how to construct analytical and visualization algorithms. To name a few examples of the OSINT advantages across different businesses, law enforcement agencies are able to better monitor national security and predict future actions. Financial institutions are able to identify money laundering activities and other more effectively as well. IT departments are better equipped to detect cyber threats. Insurance companies can expose claim frauds case faster. Human resources are able to investigate employees and potential candidates, and marketing departments are able to effectively analyze marketplace trends and track competitors. So for more information on the program and its courses, please visit our website. So lastly, let's talk about the Amazon Web Services, or AWS, Academy Cloud Foundations and Architecting Program. So McMaster Continuing Education is proud to be an AWS Academy member institution. So Amazon Web Services is one of the popular cloud platforms offering comprehensive and data analytics services. AWS platforms is broadly adopted by many businesses that are leading to a growing job market demand for cloud specialization and AWS certified cloud practitioners. AWS Cloud Foundations is an introductory level training, so the program is open enrollment. There is no application required. All courses modules can be completed virtually. To receive the McMaster Continuing Education Certificate of Completion, participants, they must complete all the required course activities and assignments. So Cloud Foundation Certificate of Completion, you must complete all 11 modules delivered over a span of 10 weeks. You'll learn in Cloud Foundations to define AWS Cloud, identify the global infrastructure, create a virtual private cloud VPC, and explain the architectural principles of AWS Cloud. So AWS Academy Cloud Architecting is more technical training compared to Cloud Foundations. So the program is also open enrollment with no application. So all course modules can be completed virtually. To receive the McMaster Continuing Education Certificate of Completion, participants as well, they must complete all of the course activities and assignments. It is recommended that learners to be familiar with cloud computing. The recommended prerequisite knowledge could be acquired by completing DAT 304 Essentials of Cloud Computing or AWS 101 Cloud Computing Foundations. So please visit the Big Data and Programming Architecture page for more information about DAT 304. So Cloud Foundation Certificate of Completion is a 12-week training, so you must complete all 15 modules. What you'll learn from cloud architecturing is architecting, sorry. Oh my goodness, is to describe principles to consider when migrating new applications. You'll learn to identify and design patterns and architectural options, define availability, fault tolerance, and scalability, and evaluate the most important performance metrics, and as well apply common error troubleshooting practices. Amazon Web Services, so AWS, has been named as a leader in cloud infrastructure and platform services, CIPS, for the past 11 years. And it continues to dominate much in North America as well as Europe. Both large enterprises and early stage startups have started incorporating AWS cloud services. So AWS training, investment, and certification is a smart move to stay currently with the rapidly changing data analytics marketplace. So AWS Cloud Computing, AWS Academy Cloud Training courses will add more value to learners. Data analytics skill set and positions to better for big data and infrastructure architecting in the following industries sectors. So finance, insurance, healthcare, marketing, government, retail, media and entertainment, logistics, information systems, transportation, and sectors using predictive analytics and AI. So for more information about the program and the courses, please visit our website. Registering for any of the programs we discussed is quite easy and quick. There is no application required. So simply just go to the website, register online, and as long as you meet the criteria shown, so you must have an Ontario Secondary School diploma or equivalent, or be a mature student. A mature student is someone who is over the age of 18 and has been out of high school for more than 2 years, or you must be deemed an exceptional case, and this is done through the program managers and admissions staff. Please also ensure to meet the McMaster English language proficiency requirements. If you are a new Canadian or an international student, you can refer to the on-demand resource center this evening or visit our continuing education website for more information. So here you'll see some technology-related programs that we offer that you might be interested in exploring further, such as health informatics and the new health analytics program. So please visit the link below the description box to see all the programs we offer. So thank you again. I'm looking forward to connecting with you soon.